Today we will discuss from the chapter West Bengal, major cities, ports and tourist sites of West Bengal. Okay, so let's start. Now at first we have to discuss about the major cities. Major cities, that mean the cities of the West Bengal, are some of the most visited and most well linked places of the state. West Bengal is the highest population density in India and a large part of these populations live in these cities. Okay, people in West Bengal have the different religions, faith, cultural background, but they live peacefully in the cities, and that's why the unity in diversity is the best reflect in West Bengal. Okay, some cities in the northern part of West Bengal are like Siliguri, Darjeeling, Kalimpong, Jalpaiguri. Okay, these North Bengal cities are known as the popular tourist destinations and also the export the center of the tree and oranges and mangoes, etc. The Buddhist monasteries and the flower market of the Kalimpong attract tourists from India and from abroad. Okay, Darjeeling is the headquarter of Darjeeling districts and the trade centers. Okay. Next point is cities in the western part of the West Bengal. Here in this region, Bardhaman, Asansol, Durgapur, Purulia and Bankura are important. The western zone of the state is mainly the industrial belt and the cities are the best known for their coal and the steel productions. Okay, Bardhaman is the largest town of Reef Plain and it is the district headquarters and an important center of transport and communications. There is an airport at Panagarh and it is the important center of trade and commerce and education. Okay. Bankura and Purulia are the best known for their local handicrafts, and Asansol is a big town only important for its mine and industries, and it is known for its prominent iron and steel work and the locomotive work at Chittaranjan. And Chittaranjan, that means the Asansol is the third largest city of West Bengal, and Durgapur is a huge industrial city with the well planned road and township, and it has iron and steel engineering, chemical and fertilizer industries and coke oven plant. And Durgapur is the fourth largest city of West Bengal. Okay. Next, cities in the eastern part of the West Bengal. In the eastern part, Krishnanagar, Kalyani, Chandannagar, Srirampur. Okay, and capital city Kolkata is also located. Kalyani is the planned township and divided into the residential, industry and educational sector. Chandannagar and Srirampur are notable for industry and educational center. And Kolkata, on the bank of the river Hooghly, is the third largest city in India. Kolkata economical, commercial, cultural status are the worth maintaining in West Bengal. Okay, and the Howrah Bridge, the Vidyasagar Setu, Victoria Memorial Hall, Birla Planetarium, Writers Building, Alipur Zoo, National Museum, Metro Railway, Science City, National Library, Eco Park, all are the attractive places where the tourists and the abroad from the people abroad they are visit here. Okay, and last one, the cities of the southern part of the West Bengal. Major cities of the southern part of the West Bengal are Barasat, Tamluk and Digha. Okay, and Barasat is important for the trading and the educational center and the first army barrack of British and East India Company was set up at the Barakpur. Okay, and Digha is a town situated in the seashore in the place of the tourist attractions, and other important cities of the West Bengal are English Bazar, Habra, Kharagpur, Shantipur, Ranaghat, Raiganj, Belurghat, Bosirhat and Jungipur. Okay. Okay, our next topic is Port of West Bengal. A port is actually a town with a harbor where the ships load and unloaded, especially one where the customs are stationed. Okay. West Bengal have the two most well-known ports. One is the Kolkata port, another one is the Haldia port. Kolkata port is the riverine port and is constructed by the British East India Company. The port has two distinct docks. One is Khidirpur and another is Netaji Dock. Hinterland, the port has the largest dry dock facility in India. Repair, maintenance need and the vessels are done here for navigations. Okay. And Haldia is the another port in West Bengal. Due to the over-facilitations of Hooghly River, the Kolkata port is not able to function properly. So, to relieve Kolkata port workload, a satellite port at the Haldia had become operative. Okay. It is a major seaport about the 50 kilometers southwest of Kolkata near the mouth of Hooghly River. Haldia is mainly developed as a trade port for Kolkata port. It mainly deals with the bulk cargoes, and Haldia is a city and a municipality in Purbo Medinipur of West Bengal. The Haldia township is bordered by the Haldia river as the offshoot of the Ganga. The industrial city of Haldia has several factories like South Asian Petrochemical Limited, Indian Oil Corporations Limited, okay, Tata Chemicals, Haldia Petrochemical Complex, Hindustan's Lever and the many others. Our next point is tourist site of West Bengal. Here you can see the important tourist site of West Bengal's are. There are so many tourist spots are there like Darjeeling Himalayan Railway, Coach Bihar Palace, Duars, Jaldapara National Park, Gorumara National Park, Hajarduari Palace, Nizamat Imambara, Katra Mosque, Adina Deer Park, Adina Mosque, Gaur, Santiniketan, Vishnupur Terracotta Temple, Botanical Garden, Dakshineshwar Kali Temple, Belur Mott, Victoria Memorial, Birla Planetarium, National Museum, and Sundarban National Park. There are so many tourist spots in India are there, and the sea beach in Digha, Mandarmoni, and Sundarban Delta regions is also famous for the mangrove forest, and Mayapur is famous for its Ishkon temple. Tarapet is a pilgrim places. Okay. Thank you everyone. Your chapter is over now. If you have any confusions regarding West Bengal chapter, please let me know. Thank you.